65-year-old Romeo Cipres is making the most out of his newfound freedom as COVID-19 restrictions ease for senior citizens. On top of his bucket list, visit his late brother at the Manila North Cemetery.
Bilang pag-alala at pagmamahal at bilang kapatid ko siya, hindi ko siya nalilimutan. Kasabay ng panalangin.
Officials have imposed limitations and strict health protocols. Romeo says he likes the setup, describing it as more meaningful and peaceful.
Ako nagpunta ng mas maaga para hindi siksikan at na makaiwas din sa hawahan, social distancing.
The MMDA inspects the Manila North Cemetery ahead of its closure to prevent overcrowding on All Saints and Souls Day. The cemetery is usually packed by up to 1 million visitors before the pandemic. The crowd at one of the biggest cemeteries in the region is now limited to around 20,000 a day.
Magandang assessment natin. Nakita natin ang kahandaan ng kanilang administrasyon, ang ating kapulisyahan, maayos sa mga vendors. At ang tao as expected spread out. No? Hindi kamukha na isang araw, halos 1 milyon siksikan. Ngayon on any given day, 20,000 na very manageable para sa kanila.
Authorities have closed entry points in Quezon City and Caloocan to regulate the number of visitors. Police have deployed 80 personnel on patrol, while children below 12 years old cannot enter the cemetery.
By 28, we will padlock the gate. Ipapadlock namin yung gate namin dito sa harap. 28 pa lang ng hapon isasara na namin ito in preparation doon sa 29 na hindi na natin bubuksan ang Manila North Cemetery. Kinumpis ka yung mga hagdanan nila doon sa likod para lahat ay dadaan dito. Why? We have to control yung dami ng tao. We have to monitor yung number ng tao na pumapasok.
Authorities also inspect the columbarium in Mandaluyong City, home to around 8,000 cremains. But instead of on-site visit, families are allowed to bring home the urn for at least a week. This has been the practice of Mona Ray's family.
Unang-una, siyempre, siksikan sa tao, lalo na ngayon na may COVID, para makaiwas na rin yung pamilya sa sakit. At the same time, makasama namin yung mahal namin sa buhay, sa bahay lang.
Filipinos find ways in remembering their departed loved ones amid the restrictions and limitations brought by the COVID-19 pandemic, whether by visiting cemeteries physically or virtually, or by taking home the urn bearing the remains of their loved ones. The tradition of paying respects to their dearly departed lives on. Tristan Nodalo, CNN Philippines.